The sun goes down, the stars come out, and all that counts is here and now. My universe will never be the same. I'm glad you came.
Stop and stare as I zone out. The club can't even handle me right now. Watching you, watching me, I go The club can't even handle me right now.
Can't nothing handle me right now. I see you, D-Getter. Let's get 'em. Hey, I own the night and I don't need no help. Gotta be the feeling that's complex. Starting go to work, can't handle this pill. Hot for the club, arrogant like yeah. Top like money, so the girls just mail. One too many, y'all know me like 12. Look like cash and they all just there. Bottles, models, selling no shares. Fall out, cause that's the business. All out, it's so ridiculous. Zone out, so much attention. Scream out, I'm in the building there. They're watching, I know this. I'm rocking, I'm rolling, I'm holding, I know. I'm like out of control. Can't stop now, more shots, let's go. 10 more rounds, can I get a KO? Pop around 6 tryna make me pose. Came to party till I can't no more. Celebrate cause that's all I know. Tip the group, is taking off their clothes. Grand finale like Super Bowl. Go hard, I run the show. That's right, while I got money to blow. More lights, more ice when I walk in the door. No hype, do it big all over the globe. Yeah, I said it, go tell it. Confetti, who ready? I'm ready, you ready? Let's get it.
You know I know to make them stop and stare as I zone out. The club can't even handle me right now. Watching you, watching me, I go all out. The club can't even handle me right now.
Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
The club can't even handle me right now.
Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
The sun goes down, the stars come out.
bonus，我要 bonus，OK， 起码喊大声一点，全部听到啊，对吧？全部听到啊。OK， 1、2、3 ，bonus， 我要 bonus， 我要 bonus， 下面 ，bonus， 我要 bonus。 快点！
By the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home.
As the organizing chairperson, I would like to welcome our honorable guest, Dr. Techi Singh, the Vice President of Utah, Mr. Henry Cho, the President of Para Basketball Association, and also Ms. Kathy Chan from CCCPR. Thank you for gracing our closing and award ceremony. Let's announce the second runner-up for this event, which is Group 039, Lim Chen Kai. And now, the runner-up team is Group 037, Chang Ji Cheng. Finally, the champion team for Rev Up Bomberman Challenge 2013 is Group 032, Dervin Lim. Now I would like to have Dr. Pei to present the cash donation of 1,000 ringgit to Mr. Henry Cho. The Revive Isotonic, the Rev Up Bomberman Challenge follows the theme of bringing digital to reality. As all of our community members are already in their final year in Utah, it was our wish to be part of something exciting and at the same time prove that university life is more than just attending classes.
Where you been all my life?
There was a time I used to look into my father's eyes,
like when you said you felt so happy you could die.